Hello everyone, Pranav Sridhar here and welcome to the LDD tutorial for beginners. This is going to be the part 1. This is the interface of the window, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about the control panel, different viewing modes and the brick selection. So we have different type of bricks like bricks, plates, etc. Now we will go to a welcome screen. We want to take a new build. You can also choose between Lego Mindstorms, Lego Digital Designer Extended. In Digital Designer Extended you can use parts which are of your own custom color. Now let's open a free build. You can also import a model. First let's take a look at the control panel. So now we will be going to the file menu, where we have many basic features like new, edit, save, etc. Most of them are not possible as we have not put any bricks in the model now. There are also other drop down menus, but now we will not be discussing about them because they are all in the toolbar and that will be in the next video. Now let's take a look at the bricks, and you can see that there are very wide variety of bricks ranging from bricks, pieces, angulars, etc. Now I am opening bricks, so you can see how many different types of bricks are here. There will be at least 100 and 150 like that. Now we are just choosing some bricks so that I can show you some other basic functions. So I am just building a small structure which is shapeless structure. So here we have encountered our first problem. Many times the bricks keep going under or above instead of coming by the side or wherever you want the bricks to go. So now, to not to waste time, I am putting it in the side. So here you can also do a select all for your bricks. I am going to be doing it now. Then we can also see the different tools. I will not be using any of them now. And you can also take a screenshot, which we'll be talking about in a while. It shows how to save it. I am not bothered to save it now. Now let's go to the different modes. So this is view mode. You can access it here, and by using the control panel you can explode the model. Don't worry, nothing is going to break. It will be like that only, and you can also change the backgrounds. Now you can take a screenshot and save. I don't want to save it. And you can also generate a building guide. This helps you build the models if you pre-download your images. And so that's it with part 1, and these are the very few basics of this program. Thanks for watching.